Now, we talked a little bit about AI. That's probably fairly new, but talk about the roadmap. What are some of the things that you're adding to the platform?
Sure. So the one thing that which we are going to have a release very soon is around theming. When I say theming, it's advanced theming. So if you look at an application, a lot of times customers have been asking for dark mode of an application, right? Specifically, applications that are built on the mobile device. Uh, so using themes where you can customize every piece of a control that you have, right from backgrounds to fonts to font sizes to scale, and so on and so forth. We are able to kind of address all of those, which we are going to release very soon. It's called as themes. So when I say scale, it's also about what you see on the screen. There are times when people want to show a lot more on the screen, right? And I don't think many people pay attention to that. But there are times when you need an application as big as this, and an application as small as something else, something like this, right?
Yeah.
And you need to play with the scale of the application there, right? And where we kind of minimize, you get down the font sizes as well automatically, everything goes smaller and so on, so you have more data to fit in. So themes is something that we are releasing very soon. Having said that, there are tons of new databases that we are going to kind of introduce, including streaming support as well. Plus, a lot of focus on security in terms of accessing those data sources. So, when you are a developer and you cannot connect your own data source because you use vault management systems like HashiCorp or AWS Secret Manager, and you have rotating keys and so on and so forth, right? So we are going to provide those components as well, where you can hook on to your HashiCorp and then connect to your database, or your set of keys that you can kind of retrieve and kind of use them. And a lot more on managed services as well. So managed storage, for example, managed emails that you can kind of send, managed notifications on mobile, and so on. So that's some of things that are in the near roadmap as well.
Yeah, fantastic. Well, it's a great job so far. I mean, it's a fantastic platform. It's really easy to use and it looks great.